So apparently there's a tornado watch for Atlanta. 5 fatalities have happened with this storm rolling through Louisiana, Alabama, and Mississippi. Looking out on the balcony, it doesn't seem bad. The wind is picking up. Alright, so now it's really getting bad. This is actually crazy. Look at the rain coming in. Look at that. It is a wall of rain. Apparently there's a tornado in this. I mean, look at everyone running. This is bad. This is crazy. Let's step outside with you guys. Wow. Wow. Okay, so there wasn't any tornadoes. It was just a lot of wind, a lot of rain. It's definitely calmed down now. I would say it's back to normal, but it's still raining. What do you think about the weather, JJ? I think you like it.